Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language of Outlook or change the default display language of Outlook. This is especially useful if you're more comfortable working in a different language or if you're collaborating with international teams and need your interface to match your preferred language settings. Let's walk through this process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account so that your emails and interface load properly. This initial step is important because you need to be fully logged in to access all the settings we'll be working with. Give it a moment to load everything up before moving forward. Once your email has been loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to navigate to the language settings. To change the language of Outlook or change the default display language of Outlook, start by looking at the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Here you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open it. Once the File menu has opened, take a look at the bottom part of this menu. You'll notice an option called Outlook Options. This is where all the deeper customization settings for Outlook are housed. Click on Outlook Options and a new window will appear on your screen. This window contains various categories for managing how Outlook behaves and appears. In the Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu where you'll see several tabs listed vertically. Among these options, you'll find the Language tab. Click on it to access the language settings for your Outlook application. This section is specifically designed to help you customize the display language to match your preferences. From here, you have the option to add a language based on your preferred language. Browse through the available languages and select the one you'd like to use. Once you've added your preferred language to the list, you need to set it as the default. Click on the language you just added to select it, then click on the button that says Set as Preferred. This action tells Outlook to display all menus, buttons, and interface elements in the language you've chosen. Once you've done that, click on OK to retain the changes you've made, and that's it. You've successfully changed the language of Outlook to match your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.